Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me.
Just got out of photosynthesis. It's time to put in some work into the glycolysis. We're entering the cytoplasm right now. I'm pumped. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, how's it going?
It's cytoplasm.
Hey, is this where glycolysis is?
Heck yeah, it is.
Alright, let's do it.
To start glycolysis, 2 ATP molecules are used up and give up their phosphate group to the glucose.
Wow, the cytoplasm looks so nice. This is a pretty chill pad we got here. What's up, ATP molecules?
Hey, what's up?
Hey! Ooh, I feel so energized right now.
This glucose molecule is split up into 2 G3P molecules, which consist each of 3 carbons and 1 phosphate group.
Man, I feel so high energy right now. I think I got a split. Ah, so much better, man.
Yeah, I know. It's nice only having 3 carbon and a phosphate.
Oxidation of G3P now occurs by the removal of electrons accompanied by hydrogen ions. In duplicate reactions, electrons are picked up by coenzyme NAD+, which becomes NADH, and this releases energy.
Oh hey, NAD+, I got some hydrogen ions and electrons for you.
Oh, thanks, man. I'll make great use of this energy. Oh, I'm so tired now.
Oh no. Hey, you're NADH now.
The reaction producing NADH from an NAD+ ion creates enough energy to add an additional phosphate group to each G3P molecule, producing a high energy BPG molecule in turn.
What's up, G3P? I got some phosphate for you. Whoa, you turned into BPG!
Dang.
The BPG and ADP molecules use an enzyme in the substrate level phosphorylation to create 2 ATP molecules. In the process, the BPG molecules convert into 3 PG molecules.
Ugh, even though I'm stable, I'm so low energy. I'm so tired.
Here, let me help you out, ADP. Let me get you a phosphate from this small BPG molecule.
Ah, thanks, man. Now I'm ATP.
Hey, I got you.
Hey!
Hey, 3PG in the house.
Oxidation of 3PG occurs by the removal of water, resulting in the creation of a PEP molecule.
3PG, it looks like you need to oxidize, man. Here, I got you. Hey, now you're PEP.
Hey.
Good job.
Substrate level ATP synthesis occurs here, with the ADP molecule turning into ATP, getting its phosphate from PEP. In turn, this turns PEP into a pyruvate molecule. In the end, for glycolysis, the outputs are 2 pyruvate molecules, 2 NADHs, and the net gain is 2 ATPs.
ADP, what's up, man? You look different.
Yeah, I'm kind of down, dude. I think I need something to cheer me up.
Hey, I think PEP has something for you. Can I take that?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go, man.
Whoa, thanks. Dude, wait, I feel so different.
How do you feel?
I like ATP.
Hey, nice job, man.
Hey, what's up? Pyruvate's here now.
Hey, dude, what's up? Wait, isn't this the final stage of the glycolysis reaction?
Yeah, man, we're gonna get into fermentation.
Let's go!
Now fermentation begins within the cytosol of the cytoplasm. Fermentation occurs without oxygen and therefore is an anaerobic reaction. From the glycolysis reaction, pyruvate is used to eventually obtain either lactic acid or alcohol. In animal cells, lactic acid is produced, while in plant cells, alcohol is produced. The whole process even regenerates NAD+, as NADH is reverted back into NAD+. This NAD+ molecule can then be used in the glycolysis reaction.
Dude, O2's been slowing us down lately.
Yeah, I don't know why he comes.
Yeah, like,
Hey, what's up, guys? O2 in the house.
dude, not this molecule
Dude,
again.
O2, get out of here,
Oh,
man.
Dude, well, I thought we were doing some Krebs cycle.
No, dude, this is fermentation. We're going anaerobic,
Dude,
baby.
get out of here.
But like,
No.
oxygen, like.
Get out, dude.
Alright.
Dude, Pyruvate, you're looking pretty down.
Yeah.
Hey, let me give you some energy. Let's get rid of these ions and... Oh. Hey, you're looking good, Lactic.
Dude, you too, NET Plus.
Hey, nice. Hey, fermentation's done. Party's over.
Despite its low yield of only 2 ATP made by substrate level ATP synthesis, lactic acid fermentation is essential to certain animals and/or tissues. Typically, animals use lactic acid fermentation for a rapid burst of energy, such as cheetah chasing a gazelle.
Soy sauce is traditionally made by adding a mold and a combination of yeast and fermenting bacteria to soybeans and wheat. The mold breaks down starch, supplying the fermenting microorganisms with sugar that they can use to produce alcohol and organic acids. This is just one of the examples of fermentation having a practical use.
Advantages of fermentation include when muscles are working vigorously over a short period of time. Then lactic acid fermentation provides them with ATP, even though oxygen is temporarily in limited supply. However, it is disadvantageous because it has low efficiency and does not always work out very quickly and effectively.